In this lesson, we are going to talk about physical states of matter. This is probably a topic you've heard since what, 4th, 5th, 6th grade. And physical states refer to whether a sample is a solid, liquid, or gas. And you can classify your sample as either solid, liquid, or gas, depending on what its volume and shape are, characteristics of its volume and shape. So one thing you'll notice about solids and liquids is that their volume is pretty much fixed. The amount of space they occupy is pretty much well defined. Okay, it doesn't matter what container you put it in. Whereas the gas, if you have a gas, the volume, the amount of space occupied by the gas is whatever the container is, whatever the volume of the container is. It just fills up the entire container. A solid, in terms of shape, okay, the liquid and the gas, okay, don't have a fixed shape unlike a solid, and so they are referred to as fluids. Okay, so what do they have in common? They more or less follow the shape of the container. So the gas fills up the entire container, so whatever the shape of the container is, that's the shape of the gas. A liquid, on the other hand, it doesn't fill up the entire container, but it tends to spread out at the bottom of the container. So you could say that the shape of the liquid will just follow the bottom of the container that you put it in. Okay, so what solids and liquids have in common is that they have more or less fixed volume. They're kind of hard to squeeze, they're kind of hard to expand. A gas, on the other hand, will just expand and fill out whatever container you put it in, or if you shrink the container, it will just fit itself into that container. Okay?